How to enable or disable change ringtone and alert sound with volume buttons on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Change With buttons. Now this feature is available in the ringtone and alerts section. So tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. And when you turn it on, it said that the volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume for the ringtone and alerts. And if I switch it off, it said the volume button will not affect the volume of the ringtone and alerts. And that's it. So turn it on, and you will notice that when you press on the volume up or volume down, it will change the ringtone and the alert sounds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.